अभी मैं देख रहा था जब आप जज कर रहे थे लड़कियों को पॉइंट आउट शॉर्टलिस्ट करना बड़ा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा था, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? बीइंग अ जज कितना मुश्किल हो जाता है कई बार चुनना कि यार ये सही है या ये गलत है या ये सही है?
कारण तो यही है, अगर मुश्किल वहाँ पर होती है क्योंकि कंपटीशन ज़्यादा है. It's always difficult to judge women. Women are always difficult to judge, especially when you have nice looking women. And you can see लड़की में तो problem नहीं था. वहाँ बैठ के the girls were saying, it's easier when you have 3 girls who are judges saying नहीं 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 नहीं, इसको निकालो, इसको फेंक दो, And then finally we just had 3-4 boys. But when you're judging women, I think women today, especially in Pune, they're well groomed, they're better maintained, and they're more fashionable, they're more fashion forward. So that's why it was a lot more difficult judging the girls.
Okay, what are the best quality you find in the girls from Pune, while walking the ramp? What appeal you most?
While walking the ramp, वही जो मैंने आपको जो पहले बताया था, the overall package हम क्या देखते हैं कि उसकी what is her walk like? How does she walk on the runway? How does she look? How fit is her body? How does she use all that together? आपके पास like an all-rounder. India needs all-rounders. अब अपनी जो cricket team में यहाँ पर Roger Binney all-rounder है, but we need genuine all-rounders like Kapil Dev. So you look like, and we want a genuine all-rounder on the runway too, who looks good, has a personality, great body, and walks well.
Okay, लास्ट आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, जिस तरह का पूरा कैंपेन है मैक्स का, मॉडल्स को लेके, कितने अच्छे मॉडल मिल जाएंगे एंड ऑफ द डे, क्योंकि दिल्ली में होने जा रहा है फिनाले?
उम्मीद है that we'll find new young talent, उनको break तो मिलेगा. That's the idea, to pick up new young talent and make them stars. तो उम्मीद है that as we travel across India, we'll definitely find young talent and give them a break, use them in our campaigns and make them big stars.
Okay, normally people come with a mindset कि, once we are in modeling, then next step will be Bollywood. What's your suggestion as a judge, as a part of this whole campaign?
That depends, वो entirely individual approach है और opinion जो है up to the individual. Ultimately लोग जो modeling में आते हैं, they join television or they join Bollywood क्योंकि वहाँ पर career ज़्यादा होता है. But people don't know that modeling careers maybe one can create and maintain a long career. So we're hoping to find people who only want to focus as runway models and as print models. This year different from last year. I think our whole approach is a lot more fresh. We are a lot more open with the boys and girls that we are taking. We've reduced our restrictions. The height is not critical. Age is not critical. If you have the package, if you have the goods, if you've got the right attitude, we'll take you and see what we can do with you, be it in the world of fashion, world of television, or world of Bollywood. We want to see where you can fit right. So we are open in our approach and we are more flexible, and we hope that we can find also young, new talent. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
And Steffi and Charmy will get in touch. Somebody, one of them will get in touch with you and tell you when we will see you again. Congratulations, it's been difficult. There are few of you girls over here who I would not have liked.
Hindi, English, Marathi, मला जास्त येत नाही. It'll be Hindi and English. Okay, perfect. Sounds good.
Music please and walk.
रहने दे 2 मिनट किसको बोल रहा है? पूजा कैसी रही अब तक की जर्नी? आप पुणे में आप लोग, और कैसा रहा पूरा एक्सपीरियंस? मैंने देखा कि बड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो रहा था लड़कियों को चूज़ करना।
हाँ, आई एग्री, लड़कियाँ कम थी, सो वी थॉट इट विल बी लेस डिफिकल्ट, बट लड़कियों को चूज़ करना बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट था. आई थिंक दे वर वेरी ग्रूम्ड, एक्सट्रीमली कॉन्फिडेंट. लड़के ज़्यादा थे, बट क्वालिटी आई थिंक वाज बेटर विद गर्ल्स.
Okay, what are the three things you look into, whenever a model walk on ramp? What are the three things?
You know, honestly, I'm being very, very honest and confessing, I hate judging. Matlab, judging is not something that I really enjoy, because I always sitting on the other side, I feel that why am I judging people? I don't think, though I know it's very necessary and all of that, and finally 2-3 girls who finally make it, they really make it big. The reason I'm here is because of somebody's judging, but I know personally I don't enjoy judging so much. I enjoy walking the ramp a lot more. But I think the first thing that you see is, apart from the height and body and everything, just the confidence. You could look very ordinary, but the way you carry yourself on the ramp, the way you look into the eyes of people, the way you smile, the way you talk, that has to be very confident.
Okay, next फैशन आइकॉन के बारे में अगर बात करें, अब दूसरा साल है मेरे, प्लीज़ मेक मी करेक्ट इफ आई रॉन्ग समवेयर, क्या नया मिलने वाला है इस बार, और कितनी जद्दोजहद भरी रही पूरी की पूरी जर्नी, और क्या नया मिलेगा?
I think हर साल of course new winners आते हैं, so they get different bunch of qualities with them. So I think ये साल, like we can see, the girls are extremely young. They are between 17 to 23. That means they're very young. So they get a lot of freshness, a lot of youthfulness, and of course they're going to be on Cosmo cover. तो वो सब glam तो वैसे ही add हो जाएगा, and our trainers and experts will work on them. So I think we'll get new ramp divas and fashion icons. Like the title says, fashion icon. So I'm looking forward to who the fashion icon is going to be.
Okay, आपकी कितनी यादें ताज़ा हो जाती हैं when you see this?
बहुत ज़्यादा. In fact, Mark has been the director for my Miss India ramp. तो अभी जब Mark सबको direct कर रहे थे, and I was like, I'm going back to 6 years later because he was my director, and ऐसा ही हमारा blue color का ramp होता था, and of course it is nostalgia. It's a lot of nostalgia. And you feel really nice कि 6 साल पहले आप यहाँ walk कर रहे थे, अब आप दूसरे side पे आके you're judging, so of course you've progressed, so it is a very good feeling, and it's my city, my mother's here, and I have a few friends, so of course it feels really, really nice, and I'm very thankful to God and to everybody.
Post success of Commando, what's next? What's there in the pipeline? Are you a part of Commando too?
Yes, of course I would be a part of Commando too, and we would go on floors soon, and so next announcements will follow.
और क्या खास होगा Commando 2 में? विद्युत वापस है फिल्म का हिस्सा?
हाँ, वो ही Commando है, तो of course he would be there in the film back, and I don't think I can reveal a lot about Commando 2. Obviously, I would want you guys to wait eagerly and anxiously to see what Commando 2 has to offer. But एक चीज़ for sure that it's going to be great.
Okay, apart from Commando, what other things there in the pipeline?
I think I'll wait for people to announce it rather than me announcing it. It's always the producer's prerogative to make announcements, so I'll wait for them to announce it. But this year is going to be very exciting for sure.
Coming back to the fashion camp, so you remain a contestant or a judge. So what 6 years of a journey, right? What do you see?
I've remained a contestant, yes, and now as a judge, a lot of things has changed. As a contestant, though I always felt confident, but there was always this little nervousness, little anxiety, even before entering on the stage, even before going on the stage. वो थोड़ा डर रहता था, वो थोड़ा सहम जाता था कि क्या होगा अगर आउट हो गए तो नहीं, but I'm going to do my best, I'm going to kill it. Abhi, as a judge, so you're more relaxed, you're more comfortable, you just I think spend time in dressing up and looking good and getting the best pictures and smiling and feeling more relaxed. I think as a judge it's more relaxed. As a contestant it's way more difficult, way more difficult and nerve-wracking for sure.
Okay, Pooja, कोई एक एक्टर आज की करंट चंगा, रणवीर सिंह, रणवीर कपूर, अगर गिवन अ चॉइस किसके साथ काम करना चाहिए?
मैं दोनों के साथ काम करूँ. Why should I shortlist my options? I'd love to work with both of them. I think both of them are great.
Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you so much.
सुनो सर, सुनो सर,
सर वापस एक्शन
सर सामने पे सर, सुनो सर.
थैंक यू सर.